Students, now let's look at question number 12. From the top of a 7-meter high building, the angle of elevation of the top of a cable tower is 60 degree and the angle of depression of its foot is 45 degree. Determine the height of the tower. Question number 12. It's given that from the top of a 7-meter high building. So first let's consider a 7-meter high building. Let AB be the building which is of 7 meters. From the top of a 7-meter high building, the angle of elevation of top of a cable tower, isn't it? Cable tower is 60 degree. From the top of a 7-meter high building, the angle of elevation, which means from here it's looking upward. So from that we have to understand the height of the tower is more than the height of the building. Okay, so the angle of elevation of top of the tower. So let's consider a tower. Let this be the tower. Okay, let this be the point top of the tower. The angle of elevation of top of the tower from the top of the building is what? 60 degree. So let's take this as, we will draw a line horizontal to here. So this is what angle of elevation is, 60 degree. Okay. And the angle of depression of its foot is 45 degree. Its foot means what? Foot of the tower. Okay. From a point on the top of the 7-meter high building, the angle of elevation of top of the tower is 60 degree. And from the same point, the angle of its depression. Its depression means what? The angle of depression towards the foot of the tower. Okay. So this angle, the angle formed here, this is angle of depression to the foot of the tower. This is foot of the tower. So we can consider, let this be the point D. The angle of depression is given, that is 45 degree, isn't it? What is the question? Determine the height of the tower. We have to find the total height of the tower. We have to find height of the tower. Okay. So since AB, here we can take E. This be the point E. Since AB is 7 meter, so definitely DE is also 7, isn't it? And now we have to find what total height of the tower. So let CE equal to H. Okay. Now we have two triangles. Let's consider triangle BCE. Triangle BCE and triangle BED. Triangle BDE. In both the triangles, triangle BCE and triangle BDE, the common side is what? BE, isn't it? So that common side we can take it as X. Okay, students. Now let's solve for X. So here, considering any one of this triangle first, let's take triangle BCE. In triangle BCE, tan 60 degree equal to opposite by adjacent, isn't it? That is CE by adjacent, that is what? BE. Tan 60's value is √3 equal to CE, that is H by BE, that is X. Here the common side for both the triangles is BE, that is X, isn't it? So we'll take and we'll make an equation using X. Therefore X equal to H by √3. Take it as equation 1. Now when we look into the second triangle that is BED. So keep in your mind, here it is given angle of depression, isn't it? So whenever we are getting angle of depression, here it is 45 degree. So the same angle will be formed here also. Okay, since the side BE will be parallel to AD, the horizontal side will be always parallel to the earth's surface. So this angle what we get here, it will be the same over here, since alternate angles will be equal if the lines are parallel, isn't it? So now we are considering triangle BED. We can consider triangle BAD also. Okay, the answer will be same. Okay, now considering triangle, here we are considering triangle BED. Okay, Now in triangle BDE, tan 45 equal to opposite. What is opposite of this angle? That is DE by adjacent, that is BE. Tan 45 is 1 equal to what? DE, that is 7 by BE, that is X. So therefore finally X equal to 7 meters. That is equation 2. Now to get the value of H, we have to find the value of H. For that we will equate equation from equation 1 and equation 2. We can equate both the RHS, isn't it? So H by root 3 equal to what? Equal to 7. H by root 3 equal to 7, isn't it? Here X equal to H by root 3. In equation 2 X equal to 7. So finally therefore H by root 3 equal to 7. Therefore H equal to 7 into root 3, that is 7 root 3. Okay. Now we got the value of H equal to what? 7 root 3. Therefore finally height of the tower equal to what? H plus 7, isn't it? H plus 7, that is equal to H. We got that is 7 root 3 plus 7, isn't it? We can slowly take 7 outside. That is equal to 7 into root 3 plus 1 meters. Hope it is clear. Please take it or not, students.